Okay guys, let's see how we can make up to $200 and above in today's analysis. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so if you have been looking for a way to make money trading boom and crash, then you need to watch this video to the end, because you will understand how you can go about it. And of course, following the instructions will also help you to make some good amount of money for yourself right from here. But before I go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we'll be checking out how we can use this video to make some cool cash for ourselves right from here. So this started an uptrend right from here. This is 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the trade and trend milker trading indicator. So if you're having the same trading tool, kindly follow up with me. Okay, so guys, this started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the uptrend signal and the buy signal, and kept on buying till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so it was unable to go above that, so it gave us a downtrend signal from here and a sell signal, and ever since it has been selling. And of course guys, this is still selling at the moment, so we will be seeing it get into this region first. Okay, and once it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to this particular point. Okay, so this is very important, so you guys should take advantage of the market right from there. However, it might be having some little pullback when it is approaching this point, or when it get there. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of that. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now let's move on to boom 500, because boom 1000 has already gone far. For those of you who are having a trading tool or the other one, that is a smart contract, I believe you should be in profit right now. Okay, so quickly let's check this out. Okay, so this was an uptrend all through the night, and of course got to this resistance zone and played around there for a while. It's trying to go back on downtrend, but it has not been able to push through below this support region. Okay, once it's pushed through it, then it's going to sell for a very long time. However, we need it to push through that support zone first before we can go fully on downtrend. But if it goes above this resistance zone, then definitely it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so we should wait for that. If it goes above this, it will keep on buying. But if it if it gets back to this support zone, and of course it breaks out below it, then definitely it will sell for a very long time. We expect it to get to somewhere F as the first TP, and of course we expect it to get to this region as the next. Okay, and thereafter we are expecting to see it around here. Okay, so all these are highlighted areas for you to take note of. Okay, now let's check out crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, but it was unable to break out from this support zone, so it is just starting an uptrend right from here. So you guys should take advantage of it and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, so first of all, I want you to take advantage of the market till this region as your first TP, and here as the second one, and of course right here as the third one. Okay, so this is very important, so you guys should take advantage. But if it should break out below this support zone, okay, then definitely it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now let's move on to crash 500, and to be the the last asset we will be checking out right here. Okay, and of course this started an uptrend from this support zone, and it kept on buying and buying and buying. Okay, it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, and of course guys, it's also finds it difficult to break out below this support zone. Okay, so here is the resistance zone. If it gets there and it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. But if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it will keep on selling, and we expect it to get to this region. Okay, and of course guys, if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, and okay, sorry, let me bring it down a bit. Okay, good. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this particular spot. Okay, then after that, then it should get to the last area. Okay, so this is very, very important. So these are the highlighted areas that you guys should look into if you are trading boom and crash today. I will be stopping right here. Remember to share your results with me later on in the day. Okay, for now, if you are yet to give me a follow, kindly do so right now, and of course do not forget to share this video with friends and family. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.